Alright guys, so now we're going to do partial product. We'll do a 4-digit by 1-digit first. The first thing you need to do is stack your numbers. So 2,356 times 5. We draw our line. So I have 5, and I'm going to have 5 each time. And I'm going to have 4 of them because there's 4 digits in my other number. So 5 times the value of this number is 6. 5 times the value of this number is 50. 5 times the value of this digit is 300. And 5 times the value of this digit, which is 2,000. Now we multiply. So 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 5 is 25. I have 1 0. So 0. And then my 25. 5 times 3 is 15, and I have 2 zeros, so 1, 2. Then 5 times 2 is 10, 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to do 3 zeros, and then I write the number 10. So now I add all of these together. So 0, 0, 0, 0, and 0. 3 plus 5 is 8. 2 plus 5 is 7. 1. And then 1. So I count 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, and then I put my comma. So my answer is 11,780. Okay, now we are going to do a 2-digit by 2-digit. Alright, let's do 56 times 24. Okay, so we stack them. 6 times 24. You're going to draw your line again. And I have 4 digits altogether, so I need to have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's actually going to be 4 times 6. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so now 4. And there's 2 digits in the top number, so I know I'm going to multiply that 4 twice. Then I go to my tens place here. So 2, there's 2 digits in the top, so I'm going to do my 2 twice. And it's really not even 2, it's the value of that 2. So it's really a 20. Because you multiply by the value of these digits, not just the number. So 4 times the value of this digit, which is 6. 4 times the value of this digit, which is 50, because that 5 is in the tens place. So the value of this digit is 20 times the value of this digit, which is 6. The value of this digit, 20, times the value of this digit is 50. So now we multiply. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 5 is 20. Then I only have 1 0 to add. So my extra 0, and then I write 20. 2 times 6 is 12. I do have a 0, so I do my 0, and then I write 12. 2 times 5 is 10, and I have 1 0 here, but I also have a 0 here, so it's 2 zeros I'm going to add. So 0, 0, and then I write my 10. Now I'm going to add these together. So 4, 0, 0, 0, that'd be 4. 2, 0, 2, 0, that'd be a 4. 2, 1, 3, and then bring down this one. I count my 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, and then I put my comma. So my answer is 1,344. Alright, that was a quick video to show you how to do partial product again. I'll do one more video to show you how to do the algorithm or traditional way.